Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. Today topic is 7 crystal systems. 7 crystal systems and 14 Bravais lattice. The crystal system is cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal and rhombohedral, monoclinic, triclinic. These are 7 crystal systems. 7 crystal system. In cubic crystal system, the Bravais lattices are primitive, face-centered and body-centered. In cubic crystal system are 3. The parameters of unit cell are intercepts A equal to B equal to C and interfacial angle is alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degrees. The best examples for cubic crystal system are lead, mercury, silver and aurum, diamond, NaCl, ZnS. Once again I repeat these examples: lead, mercury, silver, aurum, diamond, sodium chloride and zinc sulfide. The main parameters of unit cell in a cubic crystal system are A equal to B equal to C. All are equal and interfacial angles are also is equal to 90 degrees. Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degrees in a cubic crystal system. And the second one is tetragonal. In a tetragonal crystal system, see here examples. The systems are like this: mainly primitive and body centered is equal to 2 Bravais lattices. The main parameters of unit cell, the intercepts are A equal to B is not equal to C. That means the B does not equal to C and angles are equal to 90 degrees. Examples are titanium oxide and stannous oxide, SnO2 and TiO2. And the third one, orthorhombic crystal system. Orthorhombic crystal system. The orthorhombic crystal system, in a 7 crystal systems, it is a third crystal system, orthorhombic. The Bravais lattices are primitive, face-centered and body-centered and end-centered. They having 4 Bravais lattices: primitive, face-centered, body-centered and end-centered. These are 4 Bravais lattices in orthorhombic crystal system. And the parameters are A is not equal to B is not equal to C. In orthorhombic, the intercepts are not equal. So A is not equal to B is not equal to C and the interfacial angles are equal to 90 degrees. Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degrees. The best examples for orthorhombic are KNO2 and K2SO4. And the fourth one, hexagonal crystal system. In a hexagonal crystal system, see here, the primitive is 1. So 1 Bravais lattice in hexagonal. So the intercepts are A equal to B is not equal to C and alpha equal to beta equal to 90 degrees but gamma equal to 120 degrees. The examples are magnesium, SiO2, Zn and cadmium. Magnesium, silicon oxide and zinc and cadmium. These are examples for hexagonal crystal system. And the fifth one are rhombohedral. The primitive is 1 and the parameters of unit cell, the intercepts are A is equal to B is equal to C. But the interfacial angles A equal to alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degrees. But beta is not equal to 90 degrees. The example are arsenic, Sb and bismuth, CaCO3. These are the examples for rhombohedral. And the next one, monoclinic. In a monoclinic crystal system, it having two Bravais lattices are there, primitive and end center lattices, and parameters of unit cell are in a monoclinic A is not equal to B is not equal to C, but the interfacial angles are alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degrees, but beta is not equal to 90 degrees. It is similar, the interfacial angle is similar for rhombohedral and monoclinic, but not intercepts. The examples for monoclinic are CaSO4 2H2O, calcium sulfate perhydrate, and seventh one is the triclinic. In a triclinic crystal system, see here, in a triclinic crystal system, the primitive is 1. Primitive is 1 and intercepts are A is not equal to B is not equal to C. And the angles are alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degrees. So the examples for triclinic are K2Cr2O7, CaSO4 5H2. These are total 14 types of lattices are called as Bravais lattices. Thank you. Please subscribe.